Guys, we are about to announce the winner of BioSteel, and then right afterwards, you're going to see something new show up on our YouTube channel and social networks. But let's give him a call right now. Let's see who it is.
Hello there.
Yo, how's it going, man? Your name's Jason, right?
Yep, it is.
How do you feel?
I'm pretty excited right now. I'm a little shaky, but I'm pretty excited. This is really cool.
Here's your PC right here, man. It's freshly drained and clear right now, ready for whatever color you want to put in it.
Nice.
What color you think?
I saw I think I saw one of the videos on TikTok of like gold or something. I thought that was pretty cool.
So like the metallic gold?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a bottle of metallic gold, so we'll have to do that. We'll probably do one more video of it filling up for you, and who knows what we'll make, as far as social for it. But I think it'll look good with gold. Honestly, it's different. It's a different color for sure. You don't really see it in PCs too often.
Yeah.
Cool, man. So I'm gonna ask you a few questions here. So, how did you initially feel knowing when you won this PC? What'd you think?
I was like, no way, this can't be true. I was just like, I was in my room, I checked my email, I was like, oh my gosh, I won this. And I just like jumped out of my seat and I was like crazy about it. So,
dude, yeah, I would have been the same. I think I saw the email from Aston from Compete, and I think you'd said something about you were shaking.
yeah. Yeah.
It's all good, man. I'd be shaking too. So, what are you going to use it for? Are you a content creator? Are you game? What do you do?
Like, I've always wanted to do that type of stuff, but I think primarily, like, a little bit of gaming, and also I kind of getting into, like, 3D animation and that stuff.
Nice.
So, I think that'd be pretty cool, yeah.
Yeah, 3D animation would be cool. I mean, it's a workhorse, so, I mean, it does more than just game, obviously.
Yeah.
We do a lot of editing and, rendering and all that stuff, and we've even had people order Overkill computers that are in Hollywood doing, video editing and stuff, so they're good for whatever you're going to throw at it, for sure.
Yeah.
What kind of games do you play when you play?
Right now, like, I don't have anything too powerful, so I've been playing maybe like CS:GO and like Half-Life, nothing too interesting, a little bit of Rust, but so
nice.
Those, like, competitive games.
Do you have any stream channel or anything you want to call out on social or anything like that?
I have a Twitch, but like it has nothing on it.
Maybe it will. Why don't you call it out?
Maybe. Sure. Like, I guess Tipsy Lead. It's called Tipsy Lead. That's my Twitch channel. So.
Okay. I'll throw that up on the screen and spell it out correctly and stuff when I post whatever I post. Let's see. Well, dude, that's all the questions I really have for you, but we are very excited for you. Glad you won. Where are you at in the world? I mean, you don't got to tell me your address, obviously, because we're on video, but...
So, I'm in, like, Wisconsin.
Okay, cool.
Milwaukee-ish. Yeah, I was just at the Bucks. So there was a parade thing that was going on earlier today, so I just went to that. That was pretty fun, since they won the, like, basketball the finals.
Heck yeah, man. That's cool. Well, I'm glad you won. It was an international giveaway, so it was all over the place, but obviously a lot of people from the U.S. enter just naturally because of where we're located, but, I don't even know how many entries there were, honestly, but there were definitely a lot.
Yeah.
So I don't know if your parents or anybody play the lotto, but maybe you should go play the lottery or something like that and see if you guys win. So good, you had good luck, and obviously you deserved this thing or something was in the cards for you. So we're happy for you, man. But well, cool. I'll hit you up via email. Check your email. I don't know if I was going to spam or something, but I emailed you first like a day ago, like when the giveaway closed, and I wasn't getting a response, so I was like, I had Compete email you guys. The worst thing for me is like thinking that somebody won and then I can't get in contact with them, and I like have to draw somebody else, and then they find out they won, and it like ruins them. So yeah, I'm so glad you got back to us and answered, but check your spam or whatever for my email from @Overkill Computers, and we'll work out the address, and there's a piece of paperwork you have to fill out, but we have to ship it and stuff, and obviously I want to do a gold fill in it for you on social before I send it out, so we'll make all that stuff happen, and we'll be in contact, okay?
Okie dokie.
All right, brother, man. I'm so excited for you, and
Yeah.
just have an awesome rest of the week and weekend.
You
Okay.
too. Thank you so much.
All right, brother. Talk soon.
Amazing. Yeah.